Hello everyone, Ashmita here, back with another teaser reaction. Or this is to like literally like a 40 less than 40-second teaser, but I wanna react to it because this premiered on 1st Jan and it has Mamuka, Mamuti, and it stars Parvati. So I'm really excited. Like already like seeing the two leads over here. I'm like, yo, I have to react to this teaser, even if it's like less than 40 seconds. It's 39 seconds. So yes, this movie is called Pudhu. Pudhu? That's how it's pronounced. Or is it Pudhu? Is it Pudhu or is it Pudha? Because see, I'm learning the pronunciation, so it's always good if you correct me beforehand only. So yes, let's see what this teaser is about. Already very excited. Once again, sorry for the outside noise, guys. So this is the last video of today that I'm recording because I've been on a recording spree so many. I think, let me know in the comments if I'm caught up, if any other trailers are left to be watched. But this is the list that I made. I was like, okay, this is what I missed out. Let me just react to these trailers first, and then we will see like the song reactions and all of that. So yeah, let's watch the teaser for Pudha or Pudhu. Okay. See, 5 seconds.
നമുക്കുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ മറ്റുള്ളവരുമായിട്ട് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം. നല്ലതാണ്. അപ്പോഴാണ് നല്ല ഹ്യൂമൻ ബീയിങ്സ് ആവുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ അവർ തരുന്നത് നമ്മൾ മേടിക്കണമെന്നില്ല. കിച്ചുവിന് അതിൻ്റെ ആവശ്യമില്ലല്ലോ, അല്ലേ?
Wait. What? It's 40 seconds, guys. I mean, I'm not gonna get from this much. I cannot guess. Wait, we have to.
നമുക്കുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ മറ്റുള്ളവരുമായിട്ട് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം. നല്ലതാണ്. അപ്പോഴാണ് നല്ല ഹ്യൂമൻ ബീയിങ്സ് ആവുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ അവർ തരുന്നത് നമ്മൾ മേടിക്കണമെന്നില്ല. കിച്ചുവിന് അതിൻ്റെ ആവശ്യമില്ലല്ലോ, അല്ലേ?
Directed by Rathina. Who's the music composer? Wait. That ended too quickly, guys. That ended too quickly. Let me just see in the description. Oh, Jakes Bajoy. The ending music, dude. I don't know why at the end the kid is shooting the father. He doesn't like his father. Is it just me? I could be totally wrong. Is it just me? Or were you a little creeped out the way like he was holding the child's hand? Wasn't it like, it's very subtle? That probably was the teaser again. I'm looking too much into it maybe, but you would feel that he was pulling his hand a little bit towards himself, and the kid doesn't want, like, he doesn't like him. He doesn't like, and then you see him shooting that, and that dart on Mamuka's face. So maybe he's trying to portray in front of the world that what a caring father he is. Or maybe he's the stepdad. And he's trying to portray that he's a very caring father. Or he could be the real dad and trying to portray that he's a caring father, but he's not. So it could be either. But the kid definitely doesn't like him. Like at the ending music, that music, that gave me like such a negative vibe. You know, like I got a little, I don't know, I just got a little goosebump, and not in the positive way, in the negative way. Like definitely. So I think maybe Mamuka's character, he is abusing the child, he's hitting the child on something, but he's telling him that, okay, you cannot tell it to the other people. But if you look at Mamuka's dialogue, he's like, if what we have, we should share. That's what makes us good human beings. Okay, what we have, we should share. What? Secrets? You should share secrets? I'm thinking too much, huh? I shouldn't overthink. This is what I tend to do. I tend to overthink everything. But this definitely, like, it gave me a negative vibe. That's what I mean. Like, he's definitely not a caring father. I got that much. That's the vibe. Like, you have those intuitive feeling now when you see something. So this definitely gave me that feeling that he's a bad dude. So Mamuka is, I think, the villain. He's the bad guy. That's what I felt. So yeah, and I would have understood more. I don't know what the title means, Pudu. So let me know in the comments below. But it'll be so good to see him in a negative role. Oh man, if Mamuka is in a negative, I would love to see him play a negative character. If this is a negative role, then oh man, yes. Then kudos, thumbs up, absolute thumbs up. So yeah, that was the reaction to the teaser. Literally, I wouldn't even say a teaser. This is like a glance, a little peek into the film. So yeah, I don't know, I'm a little creeped out. I think Jakes Bajoy did a really fantastic job in just building up that music. So yes, that was the reaction to Pudha, Malayalam movie teaser. Yes, starring Mamuka, Parvati. Very, very excited. So yep, I'm actually looking forward to the trailer for this. And you know what? You guys have told me so many times. I've read it in the comments, is that Mamuka is at the stage where he's giving chance to new directors. He's working with them. He's trying out different kind of roles. He's experimenting. So that's great. So it looks something very different to me. And I think the center of this film is definitely that father-son relationship, which is not a very healthy relationship. It's definitely an abusive relationship, for sure. Very interesting topic, if that's the case. Very interesting topic. So yes, that was the reaction, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, because this is the kind of teaser glimpse that I like, because it gets me excited to watch the trailer. I'm really intrigued. So yep, I will be signing off now. I think I'll drop all the videos today, one by one. Huh? So let me know in the comments what do you think of this particular teaser. And yes, thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.